He's over there bird dogging. What you got? What you see up there? Ow! I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Evelyn. I'll get you on the way back. Hey, Gloria. What's up, girl? I got distracted by him being ridiculous. He's bird dogging. Window down, window here. Miss Hollyfield. How's little eyes Lois in the Mr. Hollyfield? Wow. Between eyes and I'm like most times sings out down into the street with your go. That's when she goes home. Windows down and wind in her hair. Oh, every turn, time, and heard it. Swing as wild as her. Wow. Hey, hey. It's her, I ain't trying to be a her. So, ooh, that one has tree dancing possibilities. Look up yonder, y'all. Nose, windows down, and the wind in her hair. And whenever it curves, time. But as wild as her. Wow. 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 Yeah. Is it Timmy again? Oh, Lord, did he get hung up on something? Seriously, they have got to stop trusting Timmy with Lassie. Why, Lord, why did they keep? Seriously. Don't think dogs can't be jealous and plan out sneaky shit too. Seriously. Woo-hoo. How cold is it, brother? Woo-hoo. Oh, Chihuahua, that's delicious, actually. Woo-hoo. Hello, darling. Oh, look at all the blooms you got. Oh, goodness. I smell how beautiful you are already. Let me see, darling. Oh, my land. Could you stop eating every... You don't even know what you're eating, sir. Ah, slickery. Woo-woo. Thank God I got a little Flintstone grippy feet. My little flippity flop. What are you doing? What are you doing, honey? Come out of there. I ain't even kidding with you. Come on. What is your problem, Bob? What are you after? You're so ridiculous. What the crap are you doing? Is it the fish? What in the world are you? Is it the fish? What are you even doing? Come on, you goober. Come on. You are absolutely goodness. What in the world? You are too much fun. I mean, I guess we could go that way. Do you want to go that way? Who was here, huh? You wouldn't think that'd be as strong as it is. But yet, I see you, Grandpuppers. Did you want to go this way? Well, let's see. Let's see who's about. See if any of my crayfish friends are about shit. Plunk, 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 plunk. Woo! You are ridiculous. What'd you jump your snoot back for? Found you. Never found you. Found you. Ah! What are you after? Ah! You are ridiculous. Ah! What are you even after? Seriously, what are you at? Ah! I don't know what he's chasing. Dude, are you what have you gotten into that you're tripping balls off of? Is it something in the water? What is it? I want some of it. Whatever. Looks like fun. Cooper. I told you not to fuck with the fairies. They're gonna drive you crazy now, brother. They'll get you. Where did you see the tiny frog? I missed the frog. Damn it. That was fun. You better hide. He's in a mood. And what are you even after? Come on, you big goober. You, sir, are ridiculous, sir. Seriously, what have you been into? You're tripping balls on something, brother. Woohoo! Oh, there's a fishies. You. I'm gonna touch you. I'm so. Hey, Cooper. Are you having fun, happy baby? Oh.